Audio Jungle.
Good morning. Welcome to the DDC with Niles Cabrera. Today's headline will involve the pandemic, which has disrupted everyone's lives. Here's Dr. Benedict Paul to tell you more about it.
Hello, I am Dr. Benedict Paul, a pulmonologist working at the First Cabuyao Hospital and Medical Center in Laguna. Good morning, doctor. So what can you tell us about this pandemic? Yes, the virus that is responsible for all this is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus known as the Covid-19. Most people infected with the Covid-19 virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory diseases, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illnesses. Thank you for that brief overview, doctor, but can you please elaborate more on the specific symptoms of this virus? These would usually include a fever, dry cough, tiredness, aches and pains, sore throat, diarrhea, headache, loss of taste or smell, a rash on the skin, or the discoloration of fingers and toes, difficulty breathing or shortness of breath, chest pain or pressure, and lastly, loss of speech and movement. As an expert yourself, what can you recommend to the public for preventing the spread of the virus? Thank you for that wonderful question, Niles. You see, it's actually quite simple. Practicing basic hygiene, such as washing your hands regularly with soap and water or even alcohol, can really make a huge difference. Of course, there are also other approaches to the problem. These include maintaining social distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel and staying away from large groups of people, and not touching your face and other activities that may weaken your lungs, and practicing the proper coughing/sneezing etiquette. Thank you again, doctor. In the end, this pandemic really isn't anyone's fault. Even so, we all should take our own responsibilities seriously and do the best of what we can to minimize, prevent, and mitigate the damage caused by such a pandemic.